Moment that we are going to distribute to you the certificate of appreciation and participation during our culminating activity at Villa Marida together with Sir Mike. We would like to distribute to you with me tonight is JP, who will be calling the participants during the event.
So this certificate is given to for actively participating in the culminating activity entitled Santa Cruzan sa Villa Marina for Home for the Elderly held on May 27, 2024 in Villa Marina Home for the Elderly, Calawag, Naga City, Philippines. With competencies acquired in maintaining healthy and safe environment and preparing hot and cold meals for the elderly. The certificate of appreciation is given to Primary C. Kanaki.
Oh, moment of oh, ayos mo rin. One, two, three. Right, right, right.